Hello students, today we are going to see the ninth exercise in fourth lesson. Okay, so what is there in ninth exercise we will see now. Remplacer le mot souligné par un pronom. Replace the word underlines by the pronoun. So you must replace the word. See the example. Nous achetons les prunes. We buy the apples. Here you must notice here the subject is nous. Achetaron is the verb and les prunes is the underlining word. This word is the direct object noun and this has to be replaced. Direct object noun has to be replaced direct object pronoun. Okay, so we will buy the apples will become nous dash achetaron. This dash you can fill here, then les lay. Direct object pronoun, here it is plural, so we are using lay. In your book itself, in your question itself, it's given clearly. Les achetaron, we will buy. Okay. So in your question itself, underline word itself it is there. So you can easily identify that word, you can guess it and check whether it is apt for here. Okay. So it is suitable or not, you have to check. And as the piano o quan de cello. We raise the piano at the corner of the room. Okay. We have to change this. On is the subject. Install is the verb. Le piano, that is the direct object noun. Le piano is to be replaced as the direct object pronoun. In front of the verb you have to place, and remaining things you can write as it is. Le piano, that le you can mention here. Le is identified, it is a masculine singular, so we can fill this. Direct object pronoun is le. Okay, le only, but the next word verb is started in vowel, so l apostrophe is enough. And l'installe or con du salon. We place the at the corner of the room. Okay. Second one. Nous fixer le poste de télévision au mur. You fix the television set on the wall. So you have to change this. Vous is the subject, fixer is the verb, le poste de télévision is the direct object noun. That word you have to replace direct object pronoun here. Okay. Nous le poste, that le poste de télévision. Oh, mur is you can write as it is, and le poste de télévision, that alone you can change it here. It is le fixe. It is clearly in your question itself that pronoun is mentioned there. You can choose that also. It is easy way to identify the answer. Okay, so try to guess it like this. Third one. Elle place une statue de bronze à l'entrée de la maison. She places a bronze statue at the entrance of the house. Here, the underlined word une statue de bronze. Whereas here, le direct object noun is le piano, les prunes, le poste. That is clearly it is there, but here it is indefinite articles. Une is present here, so it is identified. It is a feminine. Or brown statue is the feminine form. When une is given, une, you can identify it is indefinite articles, and the noun it be replaced by the pronoun el. Okay, so the pronoun should be replaced en. Whenever you find une in the question, that is indefinite articles, and the noun it will be replaced as the pronoun en. She places a bronze statue. It become she plays it dash one of it. Okay. Un should be repeated after the verb. Okay. So you must think like this and do it properly. This third unknown is very, very important. When the question you are having u and e and you have to add en in the front of the verb, after that you have to replace that u and repeating une. une, indefinite articles, you must. Elle emploie une à l'entrée de la maison. She places the one of this at the entrance of the house. Number 4. Nous posons les pots de fleurs au balcon. We place or we keep the flower pot in the balcony. So, love pot the flowers. That is a direct object now. You can easily identify nous dash person. Le is given there. So, you can choose that and write here. Okay. It is a plural form. The same thing will come here also. Direct object pronoun. Okay. Le. Number 5. Tu mets la balançoire sur la veranda. You keep the ring swing on the veranda. You keep the swing or you place the spring on the veranda. La balançoire is your underlined word, that is a direct object now. It will be replaced by direct object pronoun. It clearly is given there, la. You keep it on the veranda. It talks about the feminine form, la. Balançoire, it is a feminine singular, so you can use la. Okay, like this you can identify. Only third one is very, very important. Now you are having some ideas, I think. Try to practice it. Thank you.